新年快乐，恭喜发财! This is Coach Johnson Shua, welcoming everyone to the 2025 Year of the Wooden Snake. Year of the Rat is one of the top 5 animal sign for this year. Okay, so expect natin this year should be a good year for us. Okay, this year is meron tayong mga tinatawag na lucky energy para for the year. Okay, meron tayong sinasabi na convincing power and also good reputation para for this year. Although mag-ingat lang po tayo in terms of mga robbers or cheaters and also mag-ingat po tayo sa mga scammers. For the year of the ox naman po, this year, we need to be more careful lang po no, in terms of our emotions. Okay, don't let the burden okay, na medyo maging mabigat po para sa atin. And also be careful po tayo sa mga investment. Para naman po sa mga Year of the Tiger, this year there's a lot of good opportunity na pwede lumapit sa atin. Although this year there's a lot of precaution, okay, we need to be more careful in terms of mga robbers or cheaters and also avoid too trusting. Para naman sa mga Year of the Rabbit, this year there's a lot of good energy, no? Especially the number 9 star or what we call the prosperity starts with you. So medyo kailangan po natin boost in recognition and reputation. Although mag-iingat lang po tayo sa mga traitors and backfighters. Para naman sa mga Year of the Dragon, this year is a very lucky year. Okay, one of the top 5 animal sign also. So kailangan po natin maximize lang po yung mga opportunities natin. Although we need to set the target goal that what we want, okay, and also don't be distracted. Para naman sa mga Year of the Snake, this year is also a good year in terms of mga opportunities. Although, if it's your own year, we need to be more careful also in terms of conflicts, okay? So wag po tayo magpapadala sa emotions natin at also control our temper. Para naman sa mga Year of the Horse, this year is a manifestation year. One of the top 3 animal sign ang Year of the Horse. So you can do whatever you want, okay? Especially the goal that whatever you want to get. Para naman sa mga Year of the Sheep, this is a year, okay, for productive year and also this is a year of also maging achievement para sa ating lahat. Expect natin medyo meron tayong mga career up also and promotion, pero maging maingat lang po tayo sa ating health, especially related to the gastro and also blood circulation.